Today's mini Spanish lesson is on how to say your phone number in Spanish. To say your phone number in Spanish, you need to know the numbers 0 through 9. Those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's practice. I want you to say this phone number in Spanish. 918-755-5619. That's 918-755-5619. How did you do? ¿Cuál es tu número telefónico? What's your phone number? Practice saying your phone number in Spanish. If you enjoyed this lesson and you want more mini Spanish lessons, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.